Visit to the Past. Welcome to Texas Big Bend National Park by Nick D'Alto. Imagine if you could travel millions of years back in time, back to a world of towering mountains, lush forests, and incredible dinosaurs. Well, in a way, it's possible to make this journey. At Big Bend National Park in Texas, visitors can come face to face with the Cretaceous world. Don't expect a simple exhibit displayed in museum halls, as wonderful as that can be, because Big Bend is a place where you can see the skeletons of giant dinosaurs unearthed from this very land, where you can stand beneath the enormous outstretched wing bones of the largest flying creature that ever lived, and then look up into the same skies where such beasts once soared. It's as close to meeting the dinosaurs as we humans will ever come. Today, the park is a parched, rocky landscape. What would this place have looked like back in the dinosaur days? Well, at the beginning of the Cretaceous period, about 130 million years ago, we would have been underwater, chuckles park geologist Don Corrick. In those days, a shallow ocean we call the Western Interior Seaway cut across North America. So sharks and sea turtles would be swimming around here. They might have swum alongside early marine reptiles called mosasaurs and plesiosaurs. How do we know all this? We find these marine species in the limestone that is formed as mud and silt hardened, Corrick explains. We can find seashells and fish fossils on what is a dry land today because the entire region was once an undersea floor. The area was underwater until the Earth began to rise, about 80 million years ago, Corrick says. The Rocky Mountains were formed near here. Earth's tectonic plates were sliding past each other, and the plate beneath the Pacific buckled upwards like a bunching rug. These movements pushed back the waters, turning the Big Bend region into a coastal floodplain. Picture today's Louisiana bayou, but with even bigger swamps, Corrick suggests. Foraging in these marshy lands was a horned dinosaur called a Guhoceratops, a smaller southern cousin, Corrick notes, of the Triceratops found up north. Like today's animals, dinosaur species also varied from place to place. He adds, there were also giant crocodiles in these swamps, 40 feet long, that were eating those dinosaurs. The evidence? Occasionally, we find dinosaur bones with bite marks on them,